Okay, next we're going to be solving a rational equation. So we've got an equation because we see the equal sign. We've got fractions all over the place. Now, it's always going to be easier to solve a problem if you can eliminate the fractions first. Then you don't have to worry about common denominators and reducing and those sorts of things. So to reduce this, to eliminate the fractions, we need to multiply all three of those by the lowest common denominator. So between 8x and 4 and 6, the lowest common denominator is going to have to be 24x. So I'm not going to change all of those into 24x. I'm going to multiply all three terms by 24x. Now that alone won't solve it, but it will get rid of the fractions. So in red there, I multiply all of these by 24x, and watch what happens. On this first one, the x cancels out. 8 goes into 24 3 times. So all you're left with is 3 times 3. In the middle term, 4 goes into 24 6 times. So you're left with 6x times 3. And then on the right-hand side of the equal sign, 6 goes into 24 4 times. So you're left with 4x times 1. Now your problem's much easier to solve because there are no fractions. I just have to isolate the x in order to solve for that one. So I just divide 9 by 22 and I'm finished. X equals 9 over 22. So if you can eliminate all the fractions from the problem, in the long run it'll be much, much easier to solve.